Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how exactly you can make your TikTok account completely private. So let's jump right in. All steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS devices are the same. You just log into your account. When you log into your account, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then proceed to settings and privacy and go to privacy. Here we should swipe the slider to the right side to enable private account. Second, tap on suggested your account to other and disable all these options. Alright, go back, tap on sync contacts and Facebook friends. And here you should swipe the slider to the left side to disable these two options. Then go to comments and select no one. Then go back. Select mentions and tags. Select it. Select no one and here select no one. Go back. Select direct messages. Select no one and enable filtered requests. Then go back. Select do it and select only me. Then go back. Select stitch. Select only me. Go back. Select following list. Select only me. Go back. Select liked videos and select only me. Go back. And here you can, and now you just go back and use your TikTok app and your TikTok account will be completely private.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.